Hi guys, today's video is a bit different than I'm normally doing because I'm outside. So I came to shop in Poundland. The challenge is to find three different outfits spending maximum £20. I want to show you that this is possible. It will be a challenge, but I've never shopped here in Poundland before, but I'm sure it can be done. So let's see, let's go. So here it is, guys. This is all I have to choose from. So the challenge is 3 outfits, maximum £20. So let's start. I'm thinking to get a denim because denim goes with everything, so it's quite easy. But this is menswear, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I will try. Okay guys, I managed to get 4 pieces for £20 and they were all actually on sale. I think I will be able to build those 3 outfits. Let's hope so. Look guys, 4 items, £18. So I think I did it. I'm back home now and I put everything nicely here to show you guys, but before I can start, please leave your like below and subscribe to the channel. The first piece I chose was these denim trousers. They only had trousers for boys, but I took it anyway because denim is so versatile and it costs only £5. To pair it with the trouser, I found this shirt that is also for boys, but there are so many ways to wear a shirt that I couldn't leave it behind. I also loved the colors and the print. It costs £4. And I managed to put together not only one look, but 2. On the first look, I made a knot at the front and folded the sleeves. I also rolled up the trousers and put on some sneakers for a casual look. The second one, I just wore the shirt in a different way. You can leave like that with some buttons open, or just pull back the 2 front tails of the shirt and close the lacy button behind, leaving a long length back shirt. I put on high heel sandals and completed the look with a clutch for a perfect night out outfit. So there are the two looks I put together, and so far I've spent £9. The third piece I chose was this t-shirt. I really liked the big pockets and the front knot detail. I liked also the color that's quite neutral. T-shirt is also an essential piece, and I thought it would work quite well with the denim trousers, so I made two looks with the t-shirt. On the first look I used the t-shirt detail, but instead of leaving it at the front, I made the knot on the side and rolled up the sleeves. I also rolled up the trouser to make it more stylish, and also because it was quite long. I put on a flat sandal and a crossbody bag for a more relaxed weekend look. The second outfit, I tucked the t-shirt in my bra to make it cropped, and also I tucked in the sleeves to look like a muscle tee. I put on combat boots and left the trousers tucked inside. I also added a belt. And there it is, the two looks I managed to put together. So far I've spent £12. Guys, the challenge was to put 3 looks together, but so far I managed to do 4. Leave your comments below, let me know your thoughts. The last piece I chose was this dress. Dresses are also very versatile, and I already showed in a previous video about capsule wardrobe how to wear a dress in different ways. If you'd like to have a look, click on the link here above. And as per usual, I did not only one look, but 2. On the first look, I just added a belt to shape the waist a little bit better. I put on high heel sandals. On the second look, I just rolled up the sleeve and folded in the collar, and I wore trainers for a casual look. So there it is, my 2 looks wearing the same dress. The challenge was to put 3 outfits together, but I ended up with 6. I spent in total £18, £2 less than what I initially planned to spend. I think it was a very good deal. In this video, I didn't want to add none of the clothes that I already have in my wardrobe, just the accessories and the shoes. So you can see that with small adjustments, you can transform your look and wear the same clothes for different occasions. The tip is always think carefully before buying. Ask yourself, how can I match these pieces with each other? Are they essential for me? And how can I wear them with the pieces that I already have in my wardrobe? Don't forget, less is more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave your comments below, let me know what you liked the most, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.